Russian people are very straight, and sometimes most of the time, not sometimes, most of the time, they don't allow themselves to be open. What they understand it. So that is the problem for the future. If any Russians has to come to this country, they have to open consciousness, open understanding, so that they can grasp the knowledge of India. Because India is the land of traditions, land of the spiritual science, land of the absolute science. If Russians people more open, they can understand more better Indian culture. If they following only one tradition in India, very difficult for them to open to understand this culture of India. So there are special notice for Russian people. They must come open mind, open conscious. Otherwise they cannot achieve the knowledge of spirituality from India. Otherwise they're going to blind believe, and they're going to lost something in India. They're going to miss something in India. They're never going to take something from India to Russia. So this is what I have been experienced this year. Particularly, I telling one sense for Russian people, they following Hare Krishna traditions, that dualism path, that the one part of Indian classical science, that not brings complete science. And particularly those believe this Hare Krishna, there are a lot of blind beliefs. So therefore, I respect these people, but same time they are not very open to understand different science of India. If they come to India, they must understand what India is. India not one person, not one tradition, but India is the science of multi-cultures, multi-traditions. So if any Russians want to understand India, they must respect all traditions and understand what tradition is as a scholar, as open mind. So they can get some knowledge, they can spread this science even whole Russia and wherever people goes. Otherwise very difficult for Russians, if following one tradition, one understanding, very difficult for them for the future. So that what I have been strange and teaching Russian peoples. I personally believe some Russian people came here to study yoga teacher training. The day I start to teaching Advaita philosophy, he say, oh, my guru teaching just chant Hare Krishna. I say, you must understand what the Hare Krishna is. You don't understand Hare Krishna or chanting mantras and jumping in the street and playing the music. This is not Hare Krishna. The Krishna, Lord Krishna, he say that to Arjuna, Mameva sajiva loke jiva bhuta sanatanaha manah sashtanendriyani prakriti sthani karsade. Say, Mameva sajiva loke jiva bhuta sanatanaha. Say, anyone born this family, they are called eternal. So no one is belongs to nowhere. There belongs to one tradition, one that is called cosmos. So everyone being born as a Atman. Mami bansa jiva loke jiva bhuta sanatana. Anyone born in this family means as a form of Atman that is called eternal. So everyone belongs to me. No one far from this. So one has to follow the tradition of Krishna means Krishna, he said that even I was exist with all beings. But this Krishna people forget. The existence is exist with all beings. They have to feel Krishna. Even they believe as a devotional way that Krishna is exist with all particles, all beings. Neither female, neither male, even animals, even dogs, everything. So Lord Krishna is the exist all beings, because Lord Krishna says, I am the existence. Lord Krishna say not I am Krishna, is I am existence, I am the conscious, I am the absolute. What is the meaning of Krishna? Kri means the problems, and Krishna means who eradicate all kind of sufferings, who liberate all kind of miseries, who is free from all kind of sufferings, that known as Krishna. Krishna means who eradicate all kind of problems, all kind of sufferings, that known as Krishna. So they have to understand what is the meaning of Krishna, even meaning of Ram. When you say Ram, Ra is the letter of third chakra, Ma is the heart chakra. When you say Ram is connection with the heart and the third chakras. So that pranic energy awakening, and Ma is the love. So one can develop, one can be stronger, one can develop the unconditional love. That is meaning of Ram. Krishna means totally liberate of all kind of sufferings, and Ram means who develop the unconditional love with the strong pranic energy. That is the Hare Krishna Mahamantras. So devotional yoga means yoga of devotion. Hare Krishna means one has to devotion to totally dedicate to absolute, not only Krishna, because Krishna is the supreme and Krishna is the existence. So therefore we must dedicate to the existence, and whatever comes we must accept exactly as it is. That the devotion. So therefore, if anyone Russian come to this country, they must accept the culture of India. They must see the Krishna. If they see the devotion to the Krishna, they must see the Krishna as existence with all beings. So this way, and better for them. And we welcome all Russians to these traditions to understand the science of non-dualism, the existence, the love which exists with all beings, all particles. Otherwise, they are going to frustration from this country if following one tradition, one understanding. There is a limited consciousness. Because dualism is always makes confused. Non-dualism makes clarity. But without dualism, we can survive. So therefore, we need dualism for survive, but we must be clear, we must understand the existence, the non-dualism, where is the material world is exist. So therefore, the tradition of India is multicultural, multi-understanding, and they must open, and they are most welcome, they are most invited to come this country and to get this culture of India and find unconditional love and truth within, and they can see the God. God have many names, either Krishna, either Rama, either Allah, either Akbar, doesn't matter. So everyone, God have different names, that the form of God. But somehow we respect here, and many incarnations born because they understand their lives, that are known as incarnation, like Krishna, like Rama, like Buddha, even like Jesus, even like Allah. So this kind of people are all are incarnation. They are great masters in the world in the past. Somehow Russians are welcome and they are invited to understand, but be open to find the love with all beings here. Even they have to find the love in the dogs, they have to find in the cows, they find with the lizards, they find with even street people, even those are beggars. They have to find the love, the truth, the existence with everywhere.